So my dear students, so we meet here again. As we said in our previous class that this class will be on the Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction. Okay, so what is the Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction? Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction is an acid base. Number one, it is an acid or base catalyzed, acid or base catalyzed aldol type, condensation reaction between what? Between an aromatic aldehyde, between an aromatic aldehyde which does not have any alpha hydrogen atom, and a ketone. So basically, this is a cross aldol type condensation reaction. Basically, it is an cross aldol type condensation reaction. It is a cross aldol type condensation reaction. Okay. uh, it yields what happened. It yields it yields highly stabilized alpha beta unsaturated highly stabilized alpha beta unsaturated conjugated carbonyl compound. Okay. So there are the 3 points I have written here, the Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction. And my dear student, please write down the notes. Please write down the notes by pausing the videos. If you have any doubts, or if you are facing any problem to write down the notes, write down in the comment section. Okay. So now, what is the general scheme? General scheme, it should be with the aromatic aldehyde. Look, this is an aromatic aldehyde. Our first point, acid or base chloride aldol type condensation reaction between an aromatic aldehyde which does not have any alpha hydrogen atom. So it is an aromatic aldehyde. So this is benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde, and this benzaldehyde molecule doesn't have any alpha hydrogen atom. Benzaldehyde molecule with a ketone. So this is a ketone, and the ketone compound should have the alpha hydrogen atom. The ketone molecule should have at least one alpha hydrogen. And the base. Okay, so what will be the product? The product with Pa. I'm written here. Okay, so this is the product. So I have written here the product. So this is the product. This is our final product. So look, the final product is a carbonyl compound, and here with respect to the carbonyl compound, this carbon atom is called alpha and this carbon atom is called beta. So there is a double bond between the alpha and beta position, and the double bond, so this is alpha beta unsaturated, means there is a double bond between alpha and beta, and the unsaturated double bond, that is the double pi bond or unsaturated double bond, uh, maintain conjugation with the carbonyl compound. Okay, so this is an alternative double bond between the carbonyl or double bond oxygen and the alpha beta double bond. Okay, so this is a alpha beta unsaturated, this is an alpha beta unsaturated conjugated carbonyl compound. So this is a general scheme. So if you ask any specific example for Claisen condensation reaction, we can give it as like this. CH3, what is known as the compound? This is known as acetophenon. This is known as acetophenon. Okay, this is known as acetophenon. So what will be the product? This is benzaldehyde. So the product will be, there is a was NOH. What will be the product? The product will be like this. This is our product. Okay, so hope you all enjoyed this class. So this is very important reaction, Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction, and it is often asked in your competitive exam. So my dear student, today we stop here. We are not elaborating this class. And look, if you want to have the mechanism, if you want to have the mechanism of the Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction, write down in the comment section. I will provide you separately, free of cost. Okay, I will provide you the PDF format of the mechanism of the Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction, or if you want to have any class on the mechanism of the Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction, if you want to know the detail of the mechanism in live class, or then you also can write in the comment section. I'll make another class on the mechanism of the particular reaction. Okay. Oh, so I request again all of my students to please subscribe my channel and do like, comments, and share. Okay. So till then, goodbye.